Designing your sales screen introduction. This is just a quick introduction about how you actually design your sales screen and the things you may want to do. So when you're in sales mode, you can see at the moment I've got it in a window, and this sales screen will stretch to whatever size the window is. But most of the time, you'll probably go into settings, software settings, click sales, and there's a setting here that says open sales screen maximized. That's most likely what you want on, and you want the sales screen and a window turned off, and that way it will fill the screen to whatever monitor size you're using. So if you open the sales mode, as I said, you can see a sales screen here. You can actually design the entire sales screen, not just this square here, but the entire part as well. But most of the time, most people just design this certain square. So if you want your cart on the right, or however you want to lay it out, you can make it look however you want. In order to be able to do this, this is where you want to go, the Sales Designer. If you click on this, this is where we design our sales screen. At the moment, it's in what we call basic mode. But if I click on template options, you can see there's a full edit mode where you can design the entire screen. You can drag buttons around, you can design it however you want. If I turn that back off, it goes back into standard mode. You can have multiple templates as well. Now, most of the time you only have one template, but if you're a large store or there's different sections to your business and you feel like you'd like multiple templates, or you'd like another template to get ready for a big menu change or anything like that, you might want to create a different template. We will talk about the templates later on. If you click on edit selected template, you can say how wide is the sales screen, how high, what path is what dimensions the basic mode take, anything like that. But again, we'll come back to that one on a later video. Also on a later video will be different sales screens other people have created, and this will give you a good insight as to certain tricks you may want to apply for your own sales screen. Each of these buttons can be dragged around, resized however you want. You can have different fonts, shapes, size, colours, all these different settings as well. A good little trick you might want to do is, because there's no save, it automatically will save. If I move the miscellaneous button over there, when I open up sales mode, it saves instantly. But another good trick is you can align your sales screen on the left, and if you have two monitors or you've got a wide monitor on a back office computer, you can align the Sales Designer on the right. And then whatever you do here, if I move something around, I can press Sales Preview and it will jump to that page and refresh it if you're still on the same page. So it could be quite useful, especially when you've got two monitors. But the next video after this, now we'll be talking about how to design and add buttons and create different objects and so on.